In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 5 different caffeine treatments for hair growth. They include hair rinses, hair oils, and hair masks. Coffee really is an unsung hair hero in your kitchen cabinet. And lots of men in particular may not know that caffeine treatments are extremely useful if they've started experiencing hair loss. In this 2012 study, researchers found that caffeine can even help to suppress male pattern baldness in the lab environment. And a number of scientific studies also highlight that when caffeine is applied directly to the scalp, it can help stimulate hair growth. Caffeine helps to stimulate the blood vessels beneath the scalp, encouraging healthy hair growth, slowing down hair loss, and can also help to keep hair shiny and soft. So these homemade caffeine hair growth treatments are definitely worth trying out. Also, for some of these treatments I'm going to show you, you can just make them once, keep them in a cool, dark place like a cupboard, or you can keep them in a fridge, and you can keep them for about 5 months, so they're really worth the time in making them. So it's really hassle-free and the ingredients are all natural. Also, have no fear because the coffee smell won't linger in your hair. But before we get started, you're going to want to bear in mind, number 1, since caffeine applied directly to the scalp can go straight into the bloodstream, so try not to do this just before bedtime unless you're completely immune to caffeine, because you might be awake for a while. Also, do be aware that if you're blonde or have light brown hair, these caffeine treatments might actually darken your hair, so do be aware of that. And finally, speaking about allergies, for all the coffee treatments I'm about to show you, please do a patch test. So this is a little cotton bud soaked in the oil, and so you just dip a little bit on the cotton bud and then you just put it behind your ear and then leave it overnight or about 24 hours. And then the following day, if there's any issue, any irritation, then don't apply the caffeine oil all over your scalp. As ever, if you have any of your own hair fall or hair loss problems and you have really specific questions, then please do feel free to message us on Instagram. We're at It Really Works Vitamins. Lots of people also like to take pictures of their hair or their scalp and they just want to ask for some advice, so please feel free to message us on Instagram. Also feel free to comment or DM us here. We're always happy to help. Okay, so on with our caffeine hair growth treatments. Okay, so the very first coffee treatment that I'm going to show you is really easy if you've only got 2 ingredients, coffee and water in your house. So let's get started. You just need 3 teaspoons of coffee powder and put into about half a litre of warm water. I don't actually have coffee powder, I have coffee beans, so I'm going to blend them to make a powder. 10 minutes later and it's cooled nicely, so I'm just going to apply this directly to my scalp. All I do is I kind of separate my hair. Hello guys, it's editing Fortuna. So I thought it would be a really good idea to move from the kitchen to the lounge to apply my coffee hair oil treatment, and look what happened. Look at what just happened to my ring light! It's arrived! Ta-da! If you're dealing with your own hair loss issues, then you might want to try It Really Works Vitamins. It's a hair supplement brand set up by me 5 years ago when I had my own hair loss issues. It Really Works Vitamins have been featured in Forbes magazine, Men's Health magazine, most recently Shortlist. Do feel free to check us out. I've put a unique discount code in the video. If you try us and you don't love your results, then we just refund you, just like that, with no questions asked. Check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. We offer free global shipping and we've got hundreds of 5-star reviews. We just need yogurt, natural yogurt, coconut oil and coffee powder. The next caffeine mask that we're going to talk about contains just honey, coffee powder, and olive oil. It's also thought that a scalp massage may help to dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, thereby encouraging hair growth. Since caffeine is a stimulant, it also increases blood circulation to hair follicles. This too can help hair grow faster and become stronger, giving the appearance of fuller, thicker hair. See you very soon. Also, don't forget to pick up your free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Blocking DHT, from itreallyworksvitamins.com. The book includes a recipe for a homemade scalp exfoliant and the best foods and drinks that help to block DHT and regrow your hair. The link is in the description below. If you are enjoying this video, it would mean the world to me if you could subscribe. If you just click the subscribe button and the thumbs up, we would be so grateful. Thank you. For this next recipe, you are going to need 1/4 cup of olive oil. Let's have a moment. Ta-da! 1/4 mug of coffee, empty applicator bottles, jars with lids, and a strainer. And we're going to put our olive oil straight in. We are going to just bring our little mixture to the boil on the hob. Guys, can I just say, I recently found out that the hole in saucepans here is used to store your spoon. Did you know this? Just to be a little bit extra, I am adding argan oil. And again, can't focus. Can she focus? Yes! Moroccan argan oil. So I add this into like my moisturisers as well. It keeps my hands and my skin really soft. I love it. I am so oiled. So guys, here is my mixture from last night. I've got my sieve and the mixture, and I'm just going to sieve it through. So here we go. See, I'm applying the caffeine hair growth treatment directly all over my scalp using the applicator bottle. I recommend doing this around 3 times per week to really see the difference, and I know that there are some people out there that say you can do this every day, but I wouldn't want to interfere with the pH level of my scalp as well as the natural sebum, and try to remember not to do this just before bed in case it keeps you awake. Okay, on to the next caffeine hair growth treatment, off we go! So guys, I really hope you found this video useful. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think might find it useful. We are creating lots and lots of videos all on the subject of hair care and hair growth, and I love learning new stuff, so let me know if you think I've missed anything out, and please let me know if you would like me to create a video all on like a certain topic of your choosing, so just let us know. I hope you're having a fantastic evening, morning, or afternoon wherever you are, and see you next time. Bye for now.
Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Can I get you a drink?
Also, I forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna say? Oh, it was gonna be a good thing as well. Can't remember. I just wanna cuddle everyone that's subscribing. So you just need 3 teaspoons of coffee powder what was I gonna say? Grab yourself a snack or a cup of tea or coffee. Welcome, nice to meet you. Hair would come off in the shower and in my hands, and it just, like, I just had to stop. I had to do something about it. So I tried lots of other products that were available, shampoos, serums, just lots of different things. Nothing really worked. I started to change my diet, and then I started looking at hair supplements, but most hair supplements have like artificial additives. They've got gelatin, which isn't great if you're following a halal diet or if you're kosher. So if you're following the kosher diet. So it's just, I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna set up my own brand because I think I can do a better job, and I did. Most recently, Shortlist as the best hair regrowth product for men. And what was I gonna say as well?